Hi, I'm Dr. Tang, and I just wanted to talk to you about sinus surgery and sinus procedures. We have a minimally invasive technique called Balloon Sinuplasty, which is excellent for certain people with chronic sinusitis. And the way that balloon sinuplasty works is that it can be done in the office just under local anesthesia, so you no longer have to go to the surgery center or to the hospital. It starts out by numbing up the nose very, very well. One of the best things about it is that you don't even need any shots for anesthesia. It's all topical anesthesia, meaning just gel that goes up into your nose. Once your nose is very well numbed up, we use very tiny cameras to go inside through the nostril, and we put a special balloon in there that has a guide wire. Now the guide wire goes into your nostril, and then after the guide wire is in place, we advance the balloon over the guide wire, and the balloon dilates up the sinus. That's normally only 1 or 2 millimeters across, and it dilates it up to a whole 6 millimeters. That way, the next time you get a cold and you get a little bit of inflammation and swelling of that passageway, it's not going to close it off and give you a sinus infection. Patients can be expected to go back to work by the very next day. It's usually not very painful since there are no cuts, it's only dilation. And within a few days, you should be feeling back to yourself and able to do all the normal activities that you would do on a regular basis. Long term, you typically expect to have fewer sinus infections, if any at all. It's easier for you to use your nasal rinses because there are bigger passageways for the rinses to access the sinuses, and then you can even use medicated rinses if necessary. And it can help you to avoid chronic antibiotics and to avoid possible larger sinus surgery in the future. Balloon sinuplasty is covered by most major insurances, and for many of the insurances, since it is a procedure done in the office, it may be more like an office copay rather than paying for general anesthesia at the surgery center. If you'd like to learn more about this procedure, please give our office a call or visit our website at www.fayent.com.